Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. I have been covering the AI powered coding tool Cursor for quite some time, and we also have been delving very deep into model context protocol for quite some time. I just stumbled upon this new open source tool called as Claude Task Master, which enables you to run structured Claude tasks with YAML configs and cursor integration. Now the good thing is that not only you can use this tool with Anthropic's model, which is primarily Claude, but you can also use it with any OpenAI's model or even with open source LLMs through Open Router. This really doesn't work at the moment with Ollama or LM Studio or any other llama.cpp enabled models, but maybe soon. So what I'm going to do in this video, I am going to show you how you can get this Taskmaster installed with Cursor. If this is the first time you're hearing about Cursor, or if you want to know more about it, just go to my channel, search with Cursor, and I have done heaps of videos on Cursor from various angles, so check it out. By the way, if you're feeling a bit brave, you can also try it with Ollama based models. I already have shown in this video and few others as how to get installed and integrate this Cursor with Ollama based models. Anyway, so let me take you here. Now the installation of this Taskmaster can be done in various ways. The easiest and quickest way is through just accessing this link in your browser, and you can grab this link from the repo of this Claude Taskmaster, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So let me quickly run this, just wait for it. And then you will see that it is going to open this Cursor automatically in your browser. From there, it will automatically take you to this Cursor setting, and if you don't see it, just click on settings button and then it will take you here. Now this is where we can install this MCP server, which is a model context protocol server. Again, if you don't know about it, just search my channel. I have done a very simple to understand video. MCP server primarily provides an external context to your large language model. Now you can set your API keys here. So I'm just going to go with OpenAI's API key, which is a paid option. You can grab it from platform.openai.com and then you can go from there. So let me put my API key here and then I will click on install. And you can see that now my Taskmaster is installed. And once it is installed, you can simply go to the right hand side and you can say that in natural language that can you please initialize Taskmaster AI into my project and make sure that this is toggled on. Okay, and now let me press enter. And it is going to generate the initial project structure here. That takes a bit of a time, so let's wait for it. You can just simply click on running it. It is running the terminal command. So let's wait. That takes a bit of a time. It is going to do everything by itself. And after initializing, it starts asking me that next steps are to create a prod.txt file in .taskmaster with the product requirement or whatever product I am going to create here. So let me show you how this works actually. I'm just going to click here to close the settings. It's already enabled, but I'm just going to click here and click here. Okay. And you see that on the left hand side, it has created a lot of directories here. And this was the empty directory before where I had initialized it. So you can simply maybe ask it that can you use this template file, the example one, as starting point. So let's run this. And you can see that it is now creating it. So these are the whole core features. I'll just accept it. And this could be costly too. So be aware of the cost because there is a lot of stuff there. So instead of just getting myself bankrupt, I'm just going to trim this down. And then maybe I will ask it to, so I'll just say, maybe I'll just, instead of manually editing it, how about if I go here and I ask it that, okay, let's customize it. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to ask it that please simplify this PRD to create the absolute bare minimum viable product that demonstrates core functionality without complexity. Remove any feature that require external APIs, databases, or complex logic, and then focus on the simplest possible implementation. And I'm trying to make it as comprehensive as possible, and that is sort of a vibe coding where you're trying to do everything through natural language instead of writing the code. So you see it is going to implement that, it is generating, it is checking that prd.txt. And by the way, towards the end of the video, I'm also going to tell you how much did it cost me in terms of API cost at OpenAI. Anyway, so I'm just going to accept it, and then we will check it out. You can also compare it if you like. I'll just say trim it more. So you can just keep trimming it. You say it displays a welcome message, show me a click. Yeah, I think that is good enough. So, and then yes, I'll just say yes, look good, proceed with generating task. You can accept it from here, that is fine. You can run the tool. Yep, it is valid and active. What is the error there? Okay, it says that it faced some error. Maybe my API cost has been my budget has reached there. Let me check the cost so far. Okay, so far it has cost me around $1, which I think fairly high given everything. It hasn't done much yet, so maybe I'll just ask it show me the error, because it hasn't shown me the error yet. Okay, let's check it out what it says. Okay, now I know that my API is it has met the budget, so that is why it is failing. But I'm just going to ask it, can you test if my API key is valid or not? Let's see if it can do that. Yes, run the tool. Yep, so you see it is invalid. So let me see if or maybe I think it's enough. I was thinking of getting another API call, but I think you get the idea that how easily you can build a whole project with the help of this Claude Task Manager, and you can generate different tasks from a PRD. You can even generate your own PRD. So the whole idea is that if you're working on a big project, you want to start from scratch, you can just start like this, and then within Cursor you can build the whole project by just talking like this, task by task in a very structured fashion. That's it. Let me know what do you think. If you enjoy the content, please like the video and share it, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.